Hi students, today we are going to learn about a division algorithm of polynomials. If p of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, then we can find a polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. It is similar to the Euclid division algorithm. There we learned if the two numbers are divided, there exists a two number quotient and remainder, right? The same, the p of x and g of x are the two polynomials. If we divide, there will exist a q of x and r of x, and the condition is r of x is equal to 0, remainder will be 0, or if it is not 0, the degree of r is remainder is less than degree of g of x. So now we will see the problem. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotients and remainder. So we have to divide the given p of x and g of x, and we have to find the quotients and remainder. So given p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. You can notice that x power 3 term is missing here. So we can add, we can write it as a 0x power. So we just to write it in the order x power 4, x power 3 is missing, so let me add a 0 x power 3, so it will nothing change, right? 0 into x power 3 is a 0, again the same expression, minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Clear? And the next g of x, you can see it is not in the order. X square term, next should be an x power 1 term, then at last is a constant, right? So that also we can rewrite as an x square, the next term is minus x, last term is plus 1. Now we have to divide the both, right? So x square minus x plus 1 should be divided the polynomial x power 4 plus 0 x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Clear? We are going to divide this. So to divide the first, we have to make the first term as the same. So we have to multiple some term with the x square. We should obtain as like as the first term. Here is x power, so x power 4. So what we have to multiple with x square to become x power 4? Again x square, right? Yeah. So x square. So if you multiple x square with this first term, you will get the same first term of the dividend. Even this you can try by this first term divided by this divisor. X power 4 divided by x square is equal to x square. Then this is the quotient you can take. Otherwise just you can guess. So then now you multiple x square with the three terms. X square into x square is x power 4. X square into minus x square is minus x cube. X square into plus 1 is plus x square. Plus x square. Now we have to subtract, right? While subtracting, the next term it will change the sign. So this plus will become minus, minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So x power 4 minus x power 4 will cancel. Here is 0, plus x cube will be the same plus x cube. Here's a minus 3x square minus x square. Don't consider this sign. We have changed it due to subtraction. So minus 3x square minus 1x square will become a minus 4x square. So next term we can take it down. Plus 4x. Now the same. So you have to multiple the term with an x square to become a x cube. What term you have to multiple with this? Plus x, right? Plus x. So x, now multiply with these three terms. X square into x is x cube. X square into minus x is minus x square. X plus 1 is x into plus 1 is plus x. So we have to subtract, so we'll change the sign. The plus will change to minus, the minus will change to plus, again the plus will change to minus. So x cube minus x cube 0, 4x square minus 4x square plus x square will become minus 3x square, right? Minus 3x square. 4x minus x, it will become a plus 3x, and the next last part of the constant will be there, right? Now the same, you have to multiple the sum term with x square to become minus 3x square. Can you guess what? Yes, the sign also you have to consider, it should be a minus, so it will be minus 3. So minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus x is minus into minus plus. 3 into x is 3x. Minus into plus is minus. 3 into 1 is Now for subtraction you change the sign, positive will change to minus, will change to plus, plus will change to minus, minus will change to plus. So 3x square minus 3x square plus 3x square is 0, plus 3x minus 3x 0, 5 plus 3 is 8. That's it. So the question is asked to find the quotients and the remainder, right? What is the quotient? Therefore quotient is equal to this, x square plus x minus 3. What is the remainder? So remainder is equal to 8. Clear? So here we go for the next problem. Check whether the first polynomial is factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. You want to divide the first polynomial by the second polynomial and you want to check whether it is factor or not. If it is a factor, then remainder will become a 0. Let me check. And first check whether it is in the order or not. The dividend should be in the order. Divisor, if it is not in the order, also not a problem. Check here, x power 5 and x power 4 term is missing, so we can add that. X power 5 plus 0 x power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 divisible by x cube minus 3x plus 1. So what we have to multiply with the x cube to become x power 5 x square, right? X square into x cube is a x power 5 plus x square into minus 3x is plus into minus is minus 3x into x square is x cube. Actually this is x power 4. So x cube term should return below to the x cube, right? So plus into minus is minus 3x cube. Don't write here because only x power 4 term should write below to that. Otherwise just leave it. Okay. Then x square into the plus 1 is the same plus x square. So now we have to subtract, so the sign will change, minus plus minus x power 5 will 0. So minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, minus 4 plus 3 is a 1, so 1x cube minus 1 or plus 1, minus 1, so minus x cube minus plus x cube minus x cube will become 0. So next we will take in a 2 terms because divisor we have a 3, right? Here also we need a 3 terms. So plus 3x plus 1. Clear? Now we have to multiply the term with x cube to become a minus x cube. What? Minus 1, just right? Already x cube, the variables are same, only the negative sign we need. So minus 1. So minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube. Minus into minus 3x cube is plus 3x. And minus 1 into plus 1 is the minus 1. So now change the sign, it will become a plus, it will become minus, and it will become a plus. So minus x cube plus x cube is 0. 3x minus 3x is 0. Plus 1 is a 2. Where our remainder is not equal to 0. Hence first polynomial is not a factor of second polynomial, right? Once again I will say you to find the quotient, whatever you are going to multiply with the divisor first term, we have to obtain the same dividend of the second term, even with the sign. If it is a minus x cube, here also we need a same minus x cube. Then only while subtracting we will get that term as a 0. So just like neglecting the first term, that just considering to become a first term as a 0, then only we will get a remainder. Clear? Thank you.